Students, today will be discussion about basic of computer. What is the fundamentals of computer? Basic of computer is essential for every student because for any entrance, different type of entrance examination, there have requirement of basic computer. If you do not knowledge about basic computers, that also be you may be not participate in any entrance. That also basic of computer is essential part. When in a basic computer, there have computer have three part: input, process, output. How many part? Three part: input, process, output. जैसे ह्यूमन बींग में होता है तो इनपुट होता है, जब में भी कोई सुनेंगे गाना सुनेंगे उसी के टाइम में इनपुट कहाँ होता है? ईयर में इनपुट होता है, प्रोसेस क्या मेमोरी में प्रोसेस होता है, आउटपुट में माउथ में होता है। आपको क्वेश्चन जो पूछेंगे उसी का सबको एडिशन की सब्ट्रैक्शन जो भी करना है, तो सबसे पहले सर ने जो पूछेंगे इनपुट क्या करेंगे, ईयर में इनपुट करेंगे, प्रोसेस क्या करेंगे, मेमोरी में प्रोसेस करेंगे, आउटपुट में माउथ में क्या रिजल्ट। तो उसी का टाइम में कंप्यूटर इनपुट है। इनपुट एक सेक्शन है कंप्यूटर जहां इनपुट होता है। कंप्यूटर कोई डाटा आप इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे, सपोज आपको कंप्यूटर को बोलेंगे 5 + 6 का एडिशन कितना है, उसी का टाइम में इनपुट कहाँ होता है? इनपुट एक सेक्शन है कंप्यूटर, उसी में इनपुट होता है। तो उसी का टाइम में इनपुट होने के बाद उसी में कहाँ हुआ? प्रोसेस हुआ। प्रोसेस कहाँ हो गया? प्रोसेस हो गया कहाँ? आपका प्रोसेसिंग है कंप्यूटर सेक्शन है। तो प्रोसेस क्या होगा? उसी के में इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिया, आई हैव गिवन एन इंस्ट्रक्शन एडिशन ऑफ 5 + 6. Here is that 5 + 6 instruction to be processed on the CPU. There are which device? In process device. And process device, what is the present? CPU. CPU process what is the addition of input. Then according to input, that output view the result. Here is that 11 is view the result according to input of instruction by the user. But today we will discuss briefly all that section. So when you have input the data, mean there have six a device. There have so many device of input data. इनपुट करने के लिए आपको मेनी डिवाइस है कंप्यूटर में, उसी में आपको इनपुट करेंगे। इनपुट ए डिवाइस डाटा हैव यू हैव इनपुट डाटा थ्रू ये इनपुट and input section is that so many input here input section related with input device, so many input device. Now is the discussion microphones. Microphone is the input device when a voice and what a voice when you speak and you are already in any voice can be input through this device, and that devices and that device send data to input section. Send data to input section. According to input, that also be process, understand that instruction. Here is the next point is that mouse. Mouse also be a input device. Mouse what do we do? Mouse that have used to input what type of, and mouse is a input device according selected. Any selected, suppose so many mouse, there are different type of mouse, but so many mouse is the input device. You select and click according to click, and that also be inputted instruction event to the input section, and input section collection data from input device. Next is that keyboard. Keyboard is a input device that also we collect instruction. Suppose you want to addition 5 + 6 and 5 is present in keyboard, that are alphabet key, and keyboard have some number key, and there are 12 function key, and the number key is that 0 to 9, that 10 number key is present in keyboards, and special key, there are so many special key, control key, alt key, and enter key, so many special key, and such as is that function key, 12 function key have alphabet 26 alphabet key. Suppose you want to type any instruction or type any digit through keyboard, Suppose you want to give an instruction computer 5 plus 6, that also be through keyboard you have 5, then type plus 6 and then 6. This also be instruction given by the keyboard as input device. Next is that light pen. Light pen is the input device that also be write. So on the screen of monitor you have write in this pen like a pen that also be written inside the selected application. That is also a pen. Here in this pen is that only write in the board, whiteboard, but in this one light pen that have some sensor is present. According to screen you write something, automatically that also be written inside the application which have opened by the users. The light pen. Next is that suppose nowadays there are digital signature is going on, different type of government sector and private sector. Digital signature also be done through light pen. You have write your signature on in front of the screen in which monitor screen, and there is the automatically signature, digital signal find on the there are different government sector, bank, and there are also government RTO office. There are different type of light pen also be a joystick that also be a like a लीवर. गाड़ी में जैसे लीवर होता है गियर पकाने के लिए 1 2 3 इसी तरह, तो इसमें जॉयस्टिक इसी तरह एक डिवाइस है. उसमें क्या यूज होता है, आपको क्या करने के लिए, आपको गेम खेलने के लिए उसी का माय जॉयस्टिक इज ए इनपुट डिवाइस. नेक्स्ट इज दैट स्कैनर. स्कैनर इज ए इनपुट डिवाइस दैट आल्सो बी यूज. स्कैन मीन्स आपका कोई फोटो को स्कैन करने के लिए, आपका डॉक्यूमेंट को स्कैन करने के लिए आपको स्कैनर यूज है. आजकल जमाने में तो 5 मिनट में फोटो मिल जाता है. क्या करते हैं, आपका जो फोटो को उसमें स्कैन करते थे. स्कैन करने के बाद then that photo edit in Photoshop is the application. After edit you within can be print on the printer. Within 5 minutes you get a photo. This also be used also be scanner. And trackballs will be like a mouse that also be used in act like a trackballs that act like a mouse that also be a input device. Then OCR, optical character reader, that also be used in different type of entrance and verification the answer sheet on the entrance examination and different type of examination. Nowadays it is not possible to check the entrance paper by the human being, but OCR is present. OCR on scan of the OCR in front of the answer sheet, automatically that also be scanned by the OCR. Okay. Then my MICR, magnetic ink character reader, that also verification in different government sector, private sector and banking that have used MICR, magnetic ink character reader, that also used to verification of DD, check and different type of financial organization, that account number verification. We can scan this MICR in front of the check. You can know that what is the duplicate check and duplicate DD. You can find out the use of MICR. OMR also be optical mark reader, that also be used to check the verification of answer sheet in different type of entrance. But OCR is the character. Suppose who is the Prime Minister of India, that a little A is the answer, B is something answer, C is something answer. You select anything. That also be used in SCR. But here is that OMR, that of circle is present. You have to point out the circle. According to point out the circle, that will be OMR verification the answer sheet use of OMR. This also be input device. That device send data to input section. Then we go to that process. Process is the procession which in human being. Brain is the process which process the instruction. So any type of instruction given to our human being, that all brain. Yeah, animal, that also be a brain, that also is process according to instruction. Here is a human is a brain, the process करेंगे क्या, जो instruction input device में होता है. Process device में एक CPU is the central processing unit. कंप्यूटर में CPU एक brain होता है वो भी क्या है, प्रोसेसिंग कर रहा है। तो सीपीयू में दोनों है, राम है, रोम है एंड कैच मेमोरी है। रोम है रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, राम ना राम है रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, रोम है रीड ओनली मेमोरी एंड कैच मेमोरी। थ्री पार्ट है सीपीयू का, एक टोटल उसी का इनसाइड का फंक्शन, और एक वीडियो में मैं उसमें रिकॉर्डिंग करके आपको मेरा चैनल में छोड़ेंगे। मतलब आज अभी प्रोसेस में सीपीयू है, राम है, राम है। तो राम मतलब रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। तो इनिशियली जो काम करेंगे उसी का टाइम में, उसी का इनिशियल स्टेज आपको सेट करने के लिए उसमें राम यूज होता है। सपोज you are a human being, you are talk with your fathers, talk with your teachers, talk with your mothers, how to behavior attitude you do, that also decision can be done by the human being through use a part of the memory. Here is that computers which you do any work in, suppose you do any recording, suppose you have do any coloring, suppose you anything you can do. RAM is initially given platform to the users, but RAM not permanent storage the data. ROM is that which is the programming and some part of the planning and storage. Suppose every day you start of the computers, and the start of the computer that a ROM is some schedule is present on the ROM. According to ROM, they read that by bootable. Bootable part also discussion in boot section. That ROM which read only memory, permanent memory, and read that according to that computer that function. Cache memory is the memory which help the speediness of your device. Cache memory is the memory that speediness according to your speediness of the computer. Cache memory जितना अच्छा है उसमें processing speed इतना भी अच्छा हो सकता है. This is the processing section. After input the data, then process the data. Then process data in output section. Output डिस्प्ले होगा आपका रिजल्ट। जैसे आपको कोई कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे, एडिशन हो, जो भी आप करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन दे, वो आउटपुट में डिस्प्ले होगा। आउटपुट में इनपुट डिवाइस में उसमें कितना है, उसमें प्रिंटर, मॉनिटर, प्लॉटर, स्पीकर। तो प्रिंटर है मतलब दिस इज द, क्या करेंगे आप, जो प्रिंट आउटपुट में दो सेक्शन है, कौन है, सॉफ्ट कॉपी एंड हार्ड कॉपी। सॉफ्ट कॉपी एंड हार्ड कॉपी। सॉफ्ट कॉपी मतलब जो कॉपी जो आपका डाटा को, आपको रिजल्ट को, इंफॉर्मेशन को, उसी को दिख सकते हैं, छू नहीं सकते हैं, उसी को सॉफ्ट कॉपी बोलते हैं। हार्ड कॉपी है छू सकते हैं, जैसे इसी को बोलते हैं हार्ड कॉपी में टचेबल होगी। सॉफ्ट कॉपी विल व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर, इन पेन ड्राइव में जो डाटा है वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी। तो आपका जो आउटपुट डिवाइस है, इंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोसेसिंग होने के बाद प्रिंटर में आपका हार्ड कॉपी निकालेंगे, निकल के आपका उसी का रिजल्ट जो उसमें आप कैलकुलेशन किए थे, आपका प्रिंटर में, आपका हार्ड कॉपी में, आपका कोई पेपर में प्रिंट करके निकाल सकते हैं। दिस इज सॉफ्ट कॉपी। हार्ड कॉपी इज फाइंड ऑन द प्रिंटर। Here monitor is the input device. Monitor not an output device. That also after processing, then monitor display the result. That's for which format? In the soft copy that display the result in monitor. Plotter is used, that also a output device for designing the different types of engineering planning and automobile engineering, civil engineering, and different type of designing purpose that I have used plotter. And speaker is the use that you can listen the music, and output section you can listen the music on the use of speaker. That also be all the basic of your computer. Okay, thank you, and try to subscribe and like my channel.